Hello people who cannot sit at home, thank you so much for joining my Vlogmas. So this video is going to be dedicated finding that perfect outfit for the holiday parties. So I have a couple of parties that I need to attend and I would like to look festive. Some of the parties I'm actually hosting myself, so I need to be looking festive. Problem at hand is that I do actually have holiday outfits and some of them I already worn, and I don't want them to be too ugly Christmas sweater looking. I want them to be cute, maybe funny, but not too typical ugly Christmas sweater. So I'm gonna show you what I have. So last year's, this was my outfit for last year. It's a really nice jacket. Overall, I like it. You just put it on, you shine literally. But that was last year. I don't want to repeat outfits. I have this guy, which is just very cute reindeer. It's more of a pajama at this point. I don't know if I want to wear it to a party. I got these Talbots from a vintage sale, and I do like the Christmassy feel of it, and it actually sits really well. But it's not Christmassy enough. It's not it. So I'm gonna go to a bunch of stores, try to see what I can find. And if I cannot find anything, I will try to figure out what I can do with these guys. So stay tuned. Let's go. So today I ended up going actually to two Winnerses. This is Marshall's. If you're in the States, it's kind of like a lot of stuff in it. So I thought I have good chance of finding something festive in there. And of course, the first thing I see actually in the men's section were the ugly Christmas sweaters. Over here in a female section, this was more of a vest kind of situation, which was really nice. And this sweater was also kind of nice, but it's again a little too typical ugly Christmas sweater, though the price was nice, $30. I was hoping to, again, not really do the whole, too ugly. I'm looking for cute. This was interesting. Betsy Johnson, bright pink, kind of leathery, dress. Not for what I'm going for. I just love the color. I usually love anything pink. Here's what I'm trying right now. Let me show you. First, this is very simple, kind of like almost like a sporty jacket, except that it's all sequins, which is very nice. I do love the shiny element. I am very much into shine. I love this thing. The sleeves are covered in sequins, which is really cool. And look at that sound, that's really cool. The only thing is it wasn't really my size. The sleeves were very small, not very comfortable. This sweater is actually really great. I think I got it from the men's section. Very comfy, but it looked like a little too grandma, a little, I don't know, I wasn't feeling it. Though it felt so comfortable, it's definitely a very comfortable sweater. This one was so cute. This is closer to what I'm looking for. A little large on the size, but still really nice. I do like when it's a bit of a larger size. The snowflake is very pretty, very Christmassy. Overall, like it. It just didn't really sit nice. It was kind of frumpy. This was the next store that I went to. This is another Winners. Over here, I'm just going through and seeing the prices. Again, a lot of sequin stuff. This is, I think, a skirt. I hope it's a skirt. Maybe a top. And for either one, for me, it's a little smaller in the size. This was again in the guys section. I really like the beer over here, reindeer kind of cheering, very funny. Over here is a very interesting, I don't know what to call it. I guess it's a top. But it's all beaded and really pretty. I do like it. The idea there is definitely very nice. I'm going for something more family oriented, nothing, too open. This was what I'm trying over here. I like this green sweater, and that's when I was starting like thinking maybe I should go for Grinch. So that was my first kind of little Grinch kind of thought. This sweater was really nice. This sweater was also really nice. I actually really like the white element of it, very snowy, very Christmassy. Actually, I really like the sweater. Maybe this was my one of those that I could have gotten. This top, at first I put it on and then I realized, even though it actually looked nice, but it wasn't feeling comfortable. And of course, this was on the other side where I was wearing it the wrong way. The correct way was very nice. I really like this top, actually. It took me a while to kind of figure out if I should go or not go for it. I actually like it. This is probably one of the best fitting ones. Very nice top. But it wasn't very comfortable. This black one, I think I don't know, it wasn't doing anything. It wasn't even Christmassy. I like the pearls over there, but no, that's a no. So then I went online. I was thinking, okay, what is there online that I can find? Really pretty Santa sweater for $32. I think that's great. I like the blue one. Again, the sequins kind of jacket, very nice. I also like that. By the way, I really like these leggings. They were roughly $50–60, but they look nice. They definitely look very festive. Love this top. I think this is a great top. The price is not bad, $245, and it comes in different kind of patterns. This cardigan, very like nice and long and shiny, definitely perfect for the holidays. This sweater was so pretty. Just look at that neckline, very nice. And there's green and there's red. Merry, very simple, love this. And I will link all of these sweaters in the description below. And then I found this sweater and I was thinking, yes, I could buy it. And this is kind of what I was going for. Not too in-your-face ugly Christmas sweater, but still tasteful, kind of funny, kind of, Christmassy. But I was like, do I want to spend $40 and then there's going to be shipping? And it's like, can I DIY this? And then I thought to myself, yeah. I already had the green shirt and I had this really thick fabric. I think it was like a couch color sampler. So it was nice and thick, but not too thick. By the way, denim would also work if you're gonna DIY anything like that. So over here, just acrylics and painting it over, basically copying that design. It's not very creative. I'm not being very creative over here. I'm just simply copying and seeing if I can get it to look like that. The mouth, I had like a string, like a ribbon, black ribbon. I kind of folded it. Everything got sewn together, and here's the reveal. Just look at this. I am definitely very happy. It's festive. It actually looks kind of nice. It is DIY, but this is for a family party, just for fun. What do you think about this? What is your holiday outfit? Write it down below and come back tomorrow for the next day of my Vlogmas. Thank you for watching. Bye.